This is KG4 CMS. We're up here at Hanging Rock, North Carolina. Getting ready to do a SOTA activation. Whiskey 4, Charlie, Echo Papa 001 is the summit name. I think it is. It's either 001 or 007. I'm going to double check that, but Whiskey 4 Charlie, Echo Papa 001. It's about 40 degrees. Hopefully as the sun comes up it'll get a bit warmer. But good overnight. Did a little parks on the air. Got the KXC ready to go. And brought the can 4 BBC with me. And hopefully it'll warm up here in a bit. We'll take more on the summit. Get some more on the way. Yes, the Shema actually makes a big difference as far as the face being cold. Just getting ready to set up observation tower. We're going to work out right here. We're up here, Moore's Knob. That's for my wife, just to let her know that Westies can make it up here. My little Westie is not nearly as behaved as yours.
We got him at birth. We socialized him really well.
Oh, we did too. That's why it's a jerk. No, she's a sweetheart, but she's bossy.
Oh, they get attitudes.
They get attitudes. But they're, yeah, they don't like being separated much either. So this is Moore's. Ooh, that wind. It was 80 the day before yesterday. Whew. If the wind is not too bad, I'll take the drone now. It's good footage. There's 360 here. We are at Moore's Knob at the summit. Bit of a sloper. Got a fiberglass pole lashed to the observation tower. Right here under the summit. Probably get a little drone footage before it's over with today either, too.
KG4 CMS from N2DPS, November 2 Delta Tango Sierra. Got a copy?
One more time with your call sign, please.
November 2 Delta Tango Sierra.
November 2 Delta Tango Sierra. We got you at I think about 5.5 in Moore's Knob, North Carolina. QSL.
QSL, not really a summit on the air guy, but I'm running a KX2 and I was wondering what you're running up there on the summit. Go ahead.
Running the Elecraft KX3.
Okay, this is my first time in contact on the KX2. I don't want to tie you up, but I just thought I'd want to say hello and it's kind of fun making a L-craft to L-craft QSO. And if I ever got into summits on the air, this is the radio I take. Go ahead.
Yep.
We are at Moore's Knob. Operating QRP.
5.9 to about a 5.3, so some QSB on you, but 100% copy. Thank you very much. Kilo November 4, Bravo Bravo Charlie. Kilo Golf 4 Charlie Mexico Sierra.
Right.
This is Whiskey 8 Papa Tango. You should put down a 5.5, 55.
Roger, roger. Thank you, QSL. 73s, and have a great day.
Same to you, thank you. Keep Whiskey 8 Papa Tango clear.
QRZ. QRZ for Summits on the air. We are activated.
Oh yeah, we're activated plus. QSL, I've got you Kilo Bravo 1 Romeo Juliet Charlie. You are 5.5 in Moores Knob, North Carolina, QSL.
Copy the 5.5 on you at 44 New Hampshire. 44 New Hampshire. Stand by XYL.
She wants to jump in, cool.
Kilo Bravo 1 Romeo Juliet Delta. And you are 44 New Hampshire. Red out.
QSL, you are, I want to say, probably about a 5.7 now. You come up a little bit. You are 5.7 to Moores Knob, North Carolina. QSL?
Copy the 5.7. Thank you very much for the contact. Have a great day.
All right, well, we're going to make you guys' day because we got one more operator up here would like to activate both of you.
Okay, we'll be happy to get him. Go ahead.
Kilo Bravo 1 Romeo Juliet Delta. This is Kilo November 4 Bravo Bravo Charlie. I have you 5.7 in Whiskey 4 Charlie Echo Papa 001 Moores Knob. QSL?
Copy that. I have you at 44 New Hampshire. QSL?
QSL 73s, and thank you for the double contact. May I also contact your hubby?
Absolutely. Waiting. Stand by.
Kilo Bravo 1 Romeo Juliet Charlie. This is Kilo November 4 Bravo Bravo Charlie. I have you 5.5 in Moores Knob, W4C Echo Papa 001. QSL?
QSL the 5.5. I have you at 44 New Hampshire. This is Kilo Bravo 1 Romeo Juliet Charlie.
QRZ for Summits on the Air.
22 Radio Oscar Oscar.
Whiskey 2 Radio Oscar QSL?
That's correct. You're coming in 5 and 7 in upstate New York around Binghamton.
What's your signal? Hey, roger that. I have you 5.9 in Whiskey 4 Charlie Echo Papa 001. That is Moores Knob, North Carolina. QSL?
At QSL, I just looked it up on the web a minute ago. Looks like quite a nice place to visit, and you're coming in quite tremendously considering 10 watts.
And, we're enjoying the space up here with about 40 other people that are day hiking. QSL?
At QSL, I've got 100 watts coming out of a Van Dyke hole sitting at 35 feet, so there's nothing outlandish up here. And you're making for quite a good day. Quite a good signal. We've got about 20-degree weather up here, blowy, blustering snow, but other than that, it's a wonderful day, and I won't hold the frequency. So it's been wonderful talking to you. Enjoy your day.
All right, Whiskey 2 Romeo Oscar. Make sure I got that right. This is Kilo Golf 4 Charlie Michael Sierra. That's Kilo Golf 4 Charlie Michael Sierra. QSL?
Kilo Golf 4 Charlie Mike Sierra. This is Whiskey 2 Radio Oscar. And I'm looking out the window at 4 or 5 deer running across the road. How's everything treating you?
Well, we don't have any snow yet. I think we're expecting some of that this evening, so we're going to activate today before the weather moves in on us. But you are a good 5.9 signal here in Moores Knob, North Carolina. QSL?
QSL, you're 5.9, and you're fluttering up closer to a 5.9 as the day picked up a little bit. I wish you a wonderful day at 73.
Great, thank you very much. We appreciate the chase. This is Kilo Golf 4, Charlie Michael Sierra calling CQ for Summits on the Air.